Hello and welcome. This course is designed to walk you through the fundamental steps of establishing a business entity and provide the tools and resources necessary to build business credit separate from personal credit. In addition, you will learn the basics of business credit, allowing you an opportunity to understand what business credit is and how to obtain it. This step-by-step course will provide aspiring and current business owners the necessary knowledge to successfully establish their business entity and establish their business credit. Lastly, you will be provided a specific list of vendors that will guarantee immediate business credit based solely on your business entity, enabling you to establish several business lines of credit instantly. Again, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to contribute to your business success.